Welcome to Tightwad Workshop. If you've been looking for an inexpensive way to start some basic beginner woodworking, look no further. Our philosophy is to get things done without spending a lot of money. We'll help you select, set up and learn to use a basic toolkit. I'm going to assume you've got access to some kind of big box hardware store, so the tool prices are all going to be what I've paid for them brand new. You can usually get things cheaper and sometimes higher quality if you buy used. Let's get started on our Group A toolkit. You're much less likely to get eye injuries when you're using hand tools and power tools, but it's still possible. Sawdust in the eye is particularly unpleasant, so I'd recommend safety glasses if you're doing any task that's going to send small particles flying through the air. You need a hammer for woodworking, and the classic claw hammer is very versatile. Just make sure it's at least a 16 ounce or 450 grams, because it's much harder to drive nails in straight with a lightweight hammer. A wrecking bar isn't 100% necessary, but it's got a few advantages over the claw hammer for dismantling pallets. This one is 450mm or 18 inches, but if your budget will stretch to it, a 600mm or 24 inch is better suited for pallet work. Pliers have lots of uses, and for starters we'll use them a lot for straightening and pulling difficult nails. The best part about this set is that it comes in a set of 3. It's hard to go past a cheap hardpoint panel saw for rough cutting. This type of saw can't be sharpened, so once it goes blunt you throw it away and get another one. Unless you're in the habit of sawing through nails, it will take a long time to go blunt. These come in a couple of different tooth patterns. You want this style, which works well for cutting both with and across the grain of a piece of timber. I'm going to assume that you already own a pencil and something to sharpen it with. You'll also see me using these flat-sided carpenter's pencils a lot. They're good because they don't tend to roll off the bench. A 3-metre tape measure is all you need to get started. Try to get one that has both metric and inch markings on it. That way you'll never need to convert all your measurements from a cutting list when you start a new project. Just use whatever measurement system the project author and plans use. We'll be using sandpaper for most of the projects. It's a consumable just like glue and nails, so you'll need to top up your supplies occasionally. At the time of recording this video, I was able to buy all these items brand new for $38.88. If you already own some of them, or if you can borrow them or find them used, you can probably equip yourself for even less. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.